The big boy of D Street will be reporting its numbers today in the evening, and that clearly will set the trend of how the markets will move next week. Remember, Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries is all set to announce its results. There is an expectation. Of course, the key factors that you would want to watch out for is how the Reliance Jio IPO buzz is shaping up, how soon to really come in, and how should your strategies be there. Oil to chemical space, there is an expectation there could be about a 15% EBITDA growth on that aspect. We have also seen that when it comes to the Reliance retail space, that has been showing some slower revenue growth that may continue even in the Q3 earnings this time around as well. For the Q2 highlights, if I have to just talk about what these were, remember the consolidated profit was 18,165 crores. It improved by 10% year on year. Revenue came in at 2.8 lakh crores, up by again 10%. Consolidated EBITDA had come in last time at 50,367 crores. That also improved by 14.5%. There was a capex of 40,000 crores that the company announced for O2C expansion, Jio network, retail footprint, and the new energy gigafactories as well. And therefore, it is all important to focus on how the O2C business, the petrochemicals, and the refining business will be impacted now with the lower Russian oil imports that are going to be coming in. That is going to be another aspect that you all have to be focused on. Astha, this time around, the stock is ahead of the results, up about 0.8% odd. How would you approach the stock right now?
So definitely, we are also expecting O2C segment to perform well. But yes, what can be the spoil spot is the retail segment of the company, because Jio has already performed strong on the results front. So now the retail sector performance is a key to look after, because what we are seeing that companies continuously facing some competitive pressures. In fact, they are continuously investing into the retail space, but all these benefits will going to give results in the coming years, not immediately. So I think retail segment is something which we really keeping our eyes on, how this sector will going to behave. Although OTC segment, we believe that despite the fluctuations in the crude oil price which we have seen, companies OTC segment is continuously performing strongly and margins remain intact. So OTC segment we don't have any doubts on, but yes, retail segment is our key, on the results part, which we would like to see on. And I think some positive surprise on the retail segment will definitely help the company in posting strong, results to the investors as well in the term of the stock price momentum. So just keeping an eye on those segments, and we believe that if everything goes well with the company in the results, then definitely the stock is able to perform strongly on the bourses in the coming days with the price target set which we are setting for this counter. In the case of a good number above 1500, precisely 1550. So let's see, and we are keeping our fingers crossed for these numbers, and we believe that definitely the number should be on the positive side.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.